Oh, so they're gonna, no, but we put it in like, yeah, that's why I ended up putting that. Okay. Okay. Thanks, Brad. Go ahead, open the book.
Good morning, everyone. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no smoking, no talking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a motor vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Mr. Dubakowski?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna call your matter first. Now I'm calling the matter of the people versus Charles Dubakowski. This is ticket number P 735281. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Rudy Sarah, P 35720, appearing on behalf of Charles Yilkowski, who's on the Zoom with us and has no objection to proceeding on Zoom. Mr. Zilkowski, would you introduce yourself to the judge, please?
My name is Charles Zilkowski.
Jilkowski.
Zilkowski.
Thank you. Your Honor, an offer has been made to the defendant whereby rather than driving with license suspended, they would amend the charge to improper plates and they would drop count 1, which is the suspended charge. And in turn for the improper plates, that would be the amendment to count 2, which was an insurance count. So a dismissal of 1 and an amendment of 2 to improper plates. He would like to take it.
Oh, go ahead.
He'd like to take advantage of that offer.
If so, sir, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
I do.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I have.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, they haven't.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, I am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes,
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
I do.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today, sir?
Yes,
All right. I want to take your attention, sir, back to the date of August the 23rd of 2016. Were you in the area of DeQuinder and Victor Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Dodge vehicle?
yes,
And while you were driving that Dodge vehicle, did you, was your license, did it not have any car insurance on it at the time?
yes,
Satisfied attorney here?
I'm sorry.
I said satisfied attorney.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause and the remaining counts to be dismissed?
There is, Your Honor. And I would note for the record that he's actually here for arraignment on the bench warrants. I would ask for the record that any outstanding warrants be recalled.
At this time, the court is going to set aside the bench warrants that are out there for Mr. Zalowski. And I'm actually going to also waive his warrant cost on those tickets that he has currently.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plate on count 2 of this ticket. I'm going to dismiss count 1. Sir, you got a number of civil infractions with these tickets. Is that correct? It looks like it was the same day.
Yes.
You know, all right, those fines are outstanding, sir, just so you know. They entered them in all on your behalf. So you owe money on each one of those tickets.
Okay, I can take care of those.
Okay, the court is gonna take off the late fees on those tickets. But you're gonna have to pay those fines, okay?
Understood.
All right, also on these 2 tickets for today, you have something called reinstatement fee. You need to pay those in order to get clearance to get your license. Those are $45 a piece. I can't do anything with those, okay?
Okay,
Okay, so I'm not gonna charge a fine today because the associate ticket that you have with it, they entered the civil infraction. They entered all of those tickets and I can't take them out because they're from 2016. And that's a little far back. So I'm not gonna add any additional cost to you, but you're gonna have to pay for those tickets. We'll take out the late fees that were incurred. I'll take out any warrant fees that were on there, try and get you to a more nominal number, but you're gonna have to pay all those costs and fees, okay, sir?
yes.
Okay. There's nothing further. That concludes the hearing, okay?
Do I come down and pay those in Detroit?
You do, or you can go online, sir, to 36districtcourt.org and pay them online as well. You can
All right,
either
well,
physically come down here to 36th District Court and pay them, or you can go online and pay them, either way. And you can pay
Well,
them in chunks and stuff like that. You don't have to pay them all at once, okay?
Will I receive any bond?
I got some feedback. Hold on a minute. One of the jail. Okay, what'd you say, sir?
Am I going to receive any of my bond back?
So how much did you pay in bond money?
$1,000.
Probably so, because I don't think these equal out to $1,000, so we can have that bond applied. What I would suggest to you, sir, is for you, if you can, to physically come down to 36th District Court. That way you can have that bond money applied to the costs and fees that remain, and whatever money's remaining, they'll send back to you, okay? You
Okay,
are gonna have money that's gonna come back, yes. 'Cause
Sounds
I didn't try.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Okay. All right. You all set then, sir?
Yes.
All right. Oh, yeah, and make sure you tell them to have it applied to the civil infractions too, because then you'll be clear. So typically with bond money, they'll only apply it to the misdemeanors, but you want to ask them to apply it to all your costs and fines, and whatever's remaining will be returned to you when you come down here, okay?
Okay.
That way you have everything taken care of and you don't have to worry about anything else, okay? No, you're fine. And then you should have some remaining money though, because even though there were some tickets out there outstanding, they did not rise to the price of $1,000, okay? All right.
Thank you.
Sir. You're very welcome. You have a good day, okay?
You too.
I will. Ms. Wilson, I'm gonna call your matter next, okay? You get them to unmute you, please. Thank you.
You're
All
welcome.
right. Now calling the matter of People versus Casey Wilson. This is U ticket 525-83219. This is one count of in the park after dark. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Rudy Sarah P 35720 on behalf of Casey Wilson, who's in the Zoom gallery with us, has no objection to appearing on Zoom. Ms. Wilson, would you introduce yourself to the judge, please?
Hi, my name is Cassie Wilson.
Sorry, Kathy, okay. Ms. Wilson, go ahead, attorney.
Your Honor, Ms. Wilson was charged with being in the park after dark. The people have offered to delay a sentence for 90 days, after which they would dismiss that charge, and she would like to take advantage of the delayed sentence. Is that correct, Ms.?
Yes, it is.
If so, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney, that have been Ms. Sierra, in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, ma'am?
yes,
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
yes,
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
yes,
All right. Ms. Wilson, I want to take your attention back to the date of June 7th of 2019. Were you in the area of Alter and Riverside in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Park?
yes,
And while you were in that park, was it after dark? Was it 2 a.m.?
yes, it was.
Satisfied, attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court is satisfied as well and will enter the plea to in the park after dark. Ma'am, this is a 3-month delayed sentence. Typically, I have stuff that you need to do. Do you anticipate you'll be out before 3 months?
Yes, I hope, yes, I should be by next Friday.
By next Friday, okay. Were you employed or are you employed at this time?
I won't be when I get out. I've been here too long.
Okay. Think you could do some community service?
Yes, that's good.
So are you gonna have any terms? I'm sorry, I'm asking so many questions because I want to make sure I don't bog you down with this ticket. Are you gonna have any terms and conditions when you get out, or are you just gonna be released from the jail?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know how this gonna go. I don't know. But I plan on leaving here, going to treatment whenever I get out, but I don't know how long that'll
You're
be.
gonna go to treatment after this?
Uh-huh.
Okay, ma'am. How about this? I just want you to participate in your treatment programs and make sure you're on track.
Yeah,
If you sign back in 3 months, which is going to be September the 9th, 2022, and you have no new tickets, this case will be dismissed, okay?
that works for me.
Because I don't want anything to interfere with you getting on track, okay, with your life,
Thank you.
okay?
Thank you.
I want you to focus on that. I don't want anything to interfere with that, Ms. Wilson, okay?
Thank you.
All right, so I'll see you back via Zoom. So you need, if you forget the information, call the courtroom when you get out to make sure that you can return back at 8:30 for a review. No new tickets.
Mhm.
That means I'll dismiss this matter, okay?
Okay.
Good luck to you in your treatment program. I want you to be in that treatment program. And
I
I
will.
remember, so I'm fast.
Okay, thank you. Mhm.
If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing.
Mhm.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Okay, that's what I need to do. But she got to review that. Yeah. And then,
Sorry, I had to work something out. Samson White, if y'all can unmute him for us, please.
Your Honor, is there a prosecutor or city attorney still in the courtroom with you?
Okay.
There is not, do you need to talk to them about this matter?
Okay, could you and I talk off the record for just a moment before we do, Mr. White?